Hello! I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to the St. Louis Union Station Hotel in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, the St. Louis Union Station Hotel is a pretty large hotel that incorporates the station, the depot part, of the old St. Louis Union Station. Now, in front of the hotel is this cool fountain, but at the moment, at the time of this filming, the water is not on because of the wintry weather. This is the Aloe Plaza, and the sculptures here, according to the placard here about Aloe Plaza, say that this is called the Meeting of the Rivers, and one side is supposed to represent the Mississippi River and the other the Missouri River. The two rivers converge just north here of St. Louis. It's just a boy and his fish. I will be staying in the clock tower section of the hotel. Now, under normal circumstances, they actually give tours of the clock tower itself. But due to the current circumstances, that is not the case and tours are not available. Now, I just got done parking my car in the hotel parking lot. If you do the self-check hotel parking, it's $35 for your stay. And I'm parked, it's right next to the hotel, basically. I'm not for sure what this space is called. This used to be back in the day. We need to go out to the train shed. But ever since the Union Station reopened, this has always been a big convention space. I've never seen this empty before. I was just here a little over a year ago for the NHL Fan Fest. You know, way back before COVID. And this place was packed. So much empty space right now. Follow these doors and you head to the St. Louis Wheel, Train Shed, St. Louis Aquarium, Soda Fountain, Mini Golf, and Carousel. Model train on display. And another model train on display there. You have your key to use the elevator. Took me a while, but I finally got the elevator to work. And down that hallway is my room. Oh, and just take a moment to look at a couple things here. One, this stained glass window here. Now the second thing is the grand hall. Years ago, before this was turned into a hotel, the grand hall was in disarray. It was actually used in the movie Escape from New York. The scene where we're gonna have the big fight scene, that was filmed here. There were hooligans hanging over there, and where I'm standing. Now at night, they have a light show that plays on the ceiling. All right, let's go find our room. Here it is, room 352. The room number's even in a tile in front of the door. It's not a real letterbox though. It's just a fake placard. But pretty cool though. Pretty spiffy looking room in my opinion. To your right here, they've got a little picture of Union Station. This right here is the train shed. Wow. And then on the little half side wall here to the left when you walk in is this little plaque that talks about the Cotton Belt route. Now to the right when you immediately walk in is the bathroom. Let's take a look here. Like the door, all that frosted glass there, just like the old train doors. Got a giant mirror. Hey! Makeup mirror. All your necessities. Towels. Clean toilet. Oh, look at that. That's nice artwork there. We're in the clock tower section, and there's a picture of the clock tower. A nice big shower. Coming out of the bathroom, down the steps here. To the right, there's the bed. Got a coffee maker here. A safe. And then a little micro fridge. a small closet. It's got some, actually it's not a closet, it's got some shelving units, the ironing board and iron. Oops. Big closet space here. Well, big isn't since tall. And a little futon love seat. Nightstand. Big old bed. To the left. Got the TV. Chair, work desk. Another mirror here. Sofa. Chair. Another night table. Nightstand. Remote control. It's wrapped in plastic. I'll give you some hand wipes. Plenty of spots to charge things and plug them in. Theming, right on par. Got a picture here. It's some of the schematics of the inside of the clock tower itself. Now above the bed there are these three pieces of themed art. We have another photograph of Union Station in its heyday. We have some schematics of the train car. And in the center is another, actually this I believe is a photograph of the clock tower, but against a blue background. Now this lamp over here by this chair is kind of cool. Instead of an on-off switch inside, it has a knob that you just turn up and you turn it down. Okay, let's see what the view is. Oops. Okay, there's our view. We're actually in the back side of the clock tower section. Not that great of a view. You can see over there is the top of the old train shed, and which actually part of this now I believe is the roof of the aquarium, so that's kind of cool. Just a look there at the chandelier. Now before we wrap things up, I want to walk down to the end of the hallway and a few other places here and check things out. So at the end of the hall, there's this giant timetable. From Sunday, November 2nd, 1930. There's these cool posters in the side hallway here. Light show I was talking about. entrance here. Hotel, they have the Whispering Arch. And what this is, if one person stands here, notice the archway. You have somebody else stand over there, and you're whispering, you'll be able to hear each other. It really works. I can't test it out right now, of course, because I'm by myself, but it does work because I've been here before. There's a little marketplace. It's Starbucks, but it's closed right now. And the fitness center. It's open 24 hours. Pretty. Everything's kind of spaced out. But I kept with the theming. Hand sanitizing station in the elevator. Now, if you'd be interested in staying here at the St. Louis Union Station Hotel, overall, the room prices aren't that bad. The best advice I could give is this, like normally, book as far in advance as you can, and you'll probably get the best deal that you can. Of course, it also depends, as normal, whatever, what day of the week it is, if there's something going on, an event, whatnot, things like that. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or if you have a suggestion for another video, or just want to say something in general, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.